Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus has been teasing the OnePlus 8T and its features for quite some time, but the design was kept under wraps. However, less than a week before the official launch, the company gave us a first look at the device. The phone's design has been teased in a short video and it shows the phone in aquamarine green color, which looks great. We can see a quad camera setup on the back with a 48MP OIS branding, so the primary camera is confirmed to be a 48MP sensor, rumored to be the IMX586. Now the IMX586 has been used before in the OnePlus 7T, the 8 and Nord, so it doesn't need an introduction. However, the IMX686 would have been a better choice, if not the 689. Other sensors include a 16MP ultra-wide, a 5MP macro and a 2MP depth camera. There's another sensor on top of the flash, and I can't say for sure as to what purpose it serves, but it can be a supporting sensor for better white balance and colors. The camera module has a rectangular shape with rounded corners that looks a lot like the Galaxy S20 Plus, but I feel like a design change was necessary for OnePlus since a lot of the phones have a similar design except the OnePlus 7T. We also have some camera samples clicked from the OnePlus 8T, including a night mode sample which looks really good, but promoted samples generally look good, so we can't comment on the camera quality just yet, especially in low light. There's also a sample from the main and ultra-wide camera, so tell me what do you think about these in the comments. Now they will be launching the phone in two color options including Luna Silver and Aquamarine Green. The silver may have a matte finish while the green color looks glossy. The specs include a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is flat this time around and I will miss the curved display, but since the refresh rate has been updated to 120, I think I can give them a pass here. We also have the Snapdragon 865 or 865 Plus, 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. It will also get a 4500 mAh battery with a 65W fast charging support, but no wireless charging and no IP rating. I think an IP rating should have been there, but OnePlus says it will increase the cost further. And regarding the wireless charging, I think 65W of fast charging is enough for most people. That being said, do let me know what do you think about the design of the OnePlus 8T. Are you happy to see a change or does it look way too similar to the S20 or S20 Plus? That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.